On Fonts panel in Squarespace website, you see an entry titled as Base Size. It is the optimum basic size for all text on your website. It controls the text size everywhere on your website. It is directly proportional to size of all types of text. It means that if you decrease base size, it will automatically decrease text size of all text elements, including headings, paragraphs, quotes, and site navigation menu. Please remember that base size for most fonts is 16 pixels. So you may be thinking that what should be standard base size for your selected font? According to Google Material Design, web browsers calculate the REM, the root EM size, based on the root element size. The default for modern web browsers is 16 pixels. However, base size for all fonts cannot be same. According to WCAG, different font families also vary in terms of X height. So, a 16 pixel font in one family may be smaller or larger than a 16 pixel font in another. So, what if base size unnoticeably changes in your Squarespace website? Most font packs in Squarespace maintain 16 pixel base size. However, some font packs may automatically change base size value in your website. For example, IBM Plex Sans font maintains 16 pixel base size. On the other hand, Eurostyle Extended and Pragmatica Extended fonts have 13 pixels base size. If after applying a new font pack, base size automatically changes, you should not manually change it because it corresponds with built-in size of selected font to better fit text on your web page. However, if necessary, you can change the base size through this minus and plus buttons. Please keep in mind that if you are not a professional web designer, you should only use this font pack area to change font for your website. You should not use these settings under global text styles to change font. For example, after applying Themer web font to paragraphs, it has not changed its base size, which is 14 pixels. To know more on this topic, please watch our another video. The link is provided in the description below. You can watch other videos by Dozro to learn font customizations in Squarespace. Hey guys, I'm Irfan Hayat, founder of Dozro. If you like this video, consider liking it and following our social media pages. You may also look into description below for some useful links. You will learn here everything about e-business. That's it for me. Thank you so much for your time.